Hello guys, gagawa tayo ng oats banana cake. Ibabad natin yung oats sa 1 1/4 cup of milk ng 10 minutes. Set it aside. Tapos, minash ko na yung banana. Nag-add ako ng 2 egg. Mix it well. At nag-add ako dito ng half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of cinnamon, and 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder or cocoa, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it very well to combine all the ingredients. At ito na yung ating binabad na oats ng 10 minutes. Pwede na natin dito i-pour ang ating minix na chocolates and banana and mix it properly. Continue lang sa paghalo hanggang mag-combine ang lahat ng mga ingredients. Tapos, ito, nag-grease na ako ng butter at dito natin i-transfer yung ating butter. Yan. At nag-add pala ako dito ng roasted nuts and then almond para mas yummy ang ating oats banana cake. Time to bake! Ito na siya guys, ang ating oats banana cake. Yum yum! Para mas lalo sumarap ang ating banana oats cake, maglagay tayo dito ng chocolate syrups. Ayan. Para mas lalong yummy. Ito na ang ating finished product at titikman natin ang ating oats banana cake. Yum yum! Tingnan nyo guys, very soft and fluffy. Wow! Titikman natin guys kung masarap ang ating oats banana cake. Low calories. Wow! Yum! Bye-bye! Salamat sa inyong panonood at huwag kalimutan mag-like and share and subscribe. Bye-bye!